Andan sin marido. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Riza, all together, that girl R-A-I-Z-A, Riza. Gracias por venir nuevamente a ver mis videos. Hoy nos vamos a enfocar en 3 áreas de la cara. We're gonna hit 3 focus spots para hacer brows, lashes, and lips. That's about it. That's about what I'm gonna do for my look today. And espero que les guste. I just have moisturizer on my skin right now. I just like to go over it with my powder brush sin ningún producto adicional to take away anything that might be still kind of like wet or humid or moist still. Whatever. Spoolie. Muy importante para crear tu ceja. Now I can see more clear where I need to fill in my eyebrows. A mí me gusta utilizar un lápiz. Este es el de MAC. Usted puede utilizar el de su preferencia. Puedes usar una pomada. Una pomada también funciona muy bien. Si fueses a usar una pomada, recomendaría una brocha like maybe this shape, which is an angle brush. Or if you have more like straight brows, you can even use some kind of detail brush like this that's just flat and skinny, right? To fill in my brows, I like to go about 3/4 out. I do not like to start really harsh at the beginning of the brow because I like for that front of the brow to look more natural. And I kind of focus where I want my arc kind of like to swoop down, right? So that's basically how I start my brow. Just a line. And the way that I go forward, I kind of almost lean my brush sideways, so it's less pressure. See? And I take my spoolie to kind of start blending that in or out to the beginning of the brow. Y ahora I comb my brow hairs en la dirección que normalmente crecen. Y ahora puedo ver que necesito rellenar de arriba. La misma forma de la ceja natural como guía. Ahora, si tú quieres alargar, si quieres hacer más anchita, you know, this is all about personal preference. Like, makeup has no rules, okay? So, you do what you find is fitting. Lo que sí puedo recomendar es que brows are like el marco de la cara. So, always try to use a brow que te favorezca, if that makes sense. A little trick for you girls to be able to determine how to kind of go about doing your eyebrows. You want to measure that the front of your eyebrow is right by the nostril of your nose. Ahí debe estar tu arco cruzando your eye, and then your tail somewhat should be by the corner of your eye, and I still need a little bit more, you see? So that's what you want to do. Now let's just go ahead and fill the top part. Yo tengo un arco, pero aquí no me crece pelo, so vamos a rellenar eso. So at this time, I'm pretty happy with the shape of this brow. If you want to carve out your brows, if you want your, si quieres aún más definición en la ceja, this is the moment where you would clean them up with concealer. I would suggest something like a cream concealer that's very good coverage, and maybe like a flat brush like this. Yo limpio mis cejas cuando voy a hacerme full on looks like beat makeup eyeshadow. Cool, right? Pero para like every day, I just take a Q-tip and I get it wet with any kind of like hydration mist that I'm using to do my makeup. A brand is not really important. You just want to get it wet to clean up underneath the brow. Girls, if you're trying to grow out your brows, I suggest once you have your brow filled in, just tweeze them. That's the opportunity to tweeze the right hairs. Así no te sacas las cejas de más porque estás siguiendo ya la forma que tienes ya from maquillártela. Does that make sense? I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow, some concealer and foundation, and I'll be back for lashes and lips. All right, back with my foundation, concealer, just a hint of bronzer, same thing, same bronzer for my eye. Si lo pueden notar, aquí en el lagrimal hay tight line, me delineé adentro y con una brochita lo difuminé para que entonces se disimule con la banda de las pestañas, porque realmente no me voy a hacer un look hoy en los ojos, todo va a ser cejas, pestañas y labios. I'm gonna wear these really cute Hello Kitty lashes. They were super cheap. Y son de CRÈME Shop. So it was CRÈME Shop times Hello Kitty. Aren't they so cute? I love them. Here I'm trying to apply these lashes to the best of my capabilities. I do need practice, and I will admit that for sure. So usually you can go from corner to corner. I, for some reason, always go center, corner, corner, but whatever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a peachy tone blush, something that has a little bit of shimmer, but not too much, just for that healthy glow. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of my face powder all over and marry everything together. En uno de mis pasados recientes videos había dicho que iba a hacer un demo con un lipstick rojo, so voy a aprovechar este mismo video para esa oportunidad. No va a ser un lipstick rojo, va a ser like a red orange, Lady Danger from MAC. Very pretty. Y el delineador que voy a usar es red. Para labios rojos, labios oscuros o hasta labios nudes, cuando quieras un labio con mucha definición, when you want your lips to be more defined, go in first with your lip pencil. Usa el delineador primero, luego el lipstick, and then go again with your lip pencil to correct anything. Cuando quieras algo más natural, aplícate el lipstick primero y luego el delineador por encimita para solamente, tú sabes, un chispy. Pero hoy I want them to be nice and defined, so I'm gonna line mine first. Este es el mismo lipstick que me puse para el maquillaje que me hice para el concierto de Bad Bunny. Oh, so now that I have my lipstick on and I see the overall look of the face, I do feel like I can hold a little bit more blush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and intensify my blush. Boom, boom, boom. See? Always blend everything out. Always blend everything out, okay? Let me apply a little bit of mascara. All right, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Espero que quien quería ver el demo de las cejas le sirviera alguno de mis tips. Igual para los labios, pestañas. Denme un break, todo es con práctica. Sé que aquí se me nota mis pestañas naturales, pero I'm just gonna go with it. I'm not redoing my makeup today. So thank you for checking me out, checking my videos. Espero continuar uploading weekly for you guys. And yeah, remember to comment, like. You can follow me on IG, Facebook, and Snapchat, all the same name. Y bueno, chequeamos hasta la próxima, mi gente. Tú eres una bandida, tú te la traes. Si le digo que llegue le cae. Ojalá que esta noche tú seas mi Mike.